The universe is a vast expanse of space that contains all matter and energy, from the smallest particle to the biggest galaxy. It contains all the planets, the sun, stars, asteroids, our Milky Way galaxy, and all the other galaxies too. No one knows how big the universe is. Astronomers believe that it is still growing outwards in every direction. How did it all begin? No one is really sure of that either. Most scientists believe that at first everything was one incredibly solid, heavy ball of matter. This ball exploded billions of years ago, and the universe was born. The moment of this explosion is called the Big Bang. It is from this moment that time began. After the explosion, the early universe was small and extremely hot. As it cooled, it expanded and pieces spread out. Small pieces formed the basic elements hydrogen and helium. Other pieces began to join together and objects began to form. Over billions of years, the objects became galaxies, stars, and planets. How the universe was formed is still only a theory, an idea, but different parts of it have proved to be true over the years. Astronomers continue to investigate the theory. One way they do this is by using a spectroscope. A spectroscope measures the color of light coming from an object. Changes in the color indicate whether an object is moving away from or towards the Earth. Because of spectroscope readings, scientists believe that the universe is still growing outwards in every direction. Did you know? Scientists believe that much of the universe may be made of something called dark matter. This hidden mass may be a substance that people have never before encountered. To view more about space and science, subscribe to our YouTube channel Know Everything and watch the series Exploring Space to uncover more facts about the universe.